Today, we are going to talk about focusing, which can be difficult to do at home when you're used to the structure of a school day. Whether it's a distracting younger sibling or just having access to all the comforts of home, focusing at home can be a challenge. Let's watch a video that teaches us ways we can improve our focus at home.
Focus for studying at home. When we're at home, there can be a lot of distractions. TVs, phones buzzing, siblings playing, people talking, pets making noise, or trying to get our attention. Noise and other distractions make it difficult to study at home. But to be successful in school, you need to learn how to overcome these distractions and focus on your schoolwork. Let's learn some strategies to help us improve our focus at home. The first strategy is to identify your distractions. One of the most common distractions is noise, but it can also be a disorganized space or people who want your attention. Once you know your distractions, try to remove them the best you can. For example, study away from the TV, turn off your phone for a while, or work in a quiet place. The second strategy is to get organized. Use the 5 W questions to get organized and ready to study. Why are you studying? What do you need to learn or finish during this time? Who will you study with? Alone or with a study buddy or a study group? Or perhaps a tutor might help. What supplies do you need? Make sure you have all of the textbooks, notes, flashcards, etc. that you need to accomplish your why. When will you study? Set a specific time that you will study and stick to it. Where will you study? Choose a space that is quiet, well lit, and organized for studying. The third strategy is to break big tasks into smaller ones. Some topics or tasks seem overwhelming because they are so big. Break them down into smaller tasks that are easier to complete one at a time. For example, figure out the steps for a research project, or break math problems into sets of 10, or focus on reading one chapter of a book each night. The fourth strategy is to take breaks. Set a specific amount of time to study, then take a break. Get up, move around, and do something different for a few minutes. Then return to your homework feeling refreshed and ready to study again. With these strategies, you can improve your focus while studying at home. It will help you learn your schoolwork better and faster, so you can do better in school and have more time for friends, family, and hobbies.
Now let's review how we can improve our focus. Identify your distractions, and where possible, take the necessary action to make them less tempting, such as turning off notifications, putting your cell phone out of sight, or working in a quiet room. Next, get organized. Consider writing out to-do lists or using an app such as Habit-List or Google Keep to plan out what you're going to do each day and when you're going to start. And then set reminders for yourself to get started. Next, break large tasks into smaller ones. Set goals in increments of time which you plan to use to work on each of the smaller tasks. And finally, take breaks. Schedule time breaks for yourself following periods of work. Everyone gets distracted sometimes, but we need to be able to focus if we want to learn and reach our goals. This can be difficult without the structure of a typical school day. Using organizational strategies and time management strategies will help us to stay focused at home. Let's remember to put effort into our focus, and we will notice improvements in no time.